Hey everyone, in this video, what I want to do is walk you through a Skype overview of the 5 features that I truly believe will greatly benefit not only the older generation, but the younger generation. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, if we haven't met yet, welcome to the channel. My name is Audrey and I am with Social Media 4, that's the number 4 beginners.com, where I'm on a mission to teach the older generation how to use the different social media sites and all this new technology so that they can stay connected to their family and friends. Now, as I said, there are 5 features that me and my dad have used over the years that have been such a blessing and a huge benefit in staying in contact with one another throughout the years. Before we do move on into these 5 features, I want to let you know that each one of these features I have broken down and show you a how to do each one of these in a Skype course that I will be uploading here to YouTube, but I will also be uploading it to the website socialmedia4beginners.com, where you can watch those video tutorials without ads. They're also lined up in a very organized sequence of tutorials that go one by one to show you how to use Skype. Be sure to check that out over on the website or subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post one of these videos to the Skype course here on YouTube, and I'll also be uploading it to Rumble. So if you've never heard of Skype, basically Skype allows you to video call, audio call, send instant messaging, and a whole bunch of other things. Now, you can use Skype on your browser by simply going to skype.com, and you don't have to download any software, or you can download the software on your computer and have it always opened so that anybody can contact you if you would like. You can also get the free app for your tablet and for your phone once you create that account on Skype. Another thing I do want to note is that Skype, even though you can make audio calls, you are not able to make an emergency call. So you cannot dial 911 by using Skype. So with that out of the way, let's jump in and talk about these 5 features. Feature number 1, that would have to be the video calling. This is where you can call your loved one anywhere in the world for free, and you can literally see them face to face. Remember the cartoon Jetsons? Well, this is it. You get to see them, you get to see where they're at, if they're outside, if they're inside, you get to see their grandkids, and it is all face to face. This is something that Dad and I have been able to do for years, and it's just been a blessing, especially on those Thanksgivings and Christmases that everybody can't gather together because everybody's all over the world. But now we use Skype to gather together as a family and say hi and spend a little bit of the holidays with one another, even if it is just virtually. But I would have to say video calling is number 1. Number 2 kind of goes in line with that video calling, and it's you get to record that video call. I would give anything to be able to call my mom on Skype, or have had this technology to call my mom on Skype before she had passed away and record our conversations, or record, her wisdom and her love just coming through the computer. So for those of you out there that still have your loved ones and you're able to use this video calling, use that record button because you can always go back and watch those. So that would be number 2. That's a huge benefit. All right, benefit number 3 is going to be that audio calling. Now, as I mentioned before, you are able to audio call. And what that means is that, like, Dad has a Skype account Each one of you do need a Skype account. Dad has his Skype account. And if I want to call him, and not video call, but hey, I just got a quick question, we don't need to see each other, I can call him and it's free of charge. Now, if you do want to use Skype on your computer to call someone on a landline or a telephone, or on a cell phone, you can do that as well. It's just a nominal fee that Skype charges. So you would just put in, buy some credits, and then Skype would allow you to call maybe someone overseas, and you can use Skype to give them a call. But keep in mind, once again, you cannot dial 911 from the audio feature of Skype. Number 4 is going to be live subtitles. Now, I'm not really sure how long Skype has had this feature. However, doing the video tutorials, me and Dad were able to get on a video call, and when I hit that live subtitles, those subtitles popped up and I was able to read what Dad was saying. So for those of you who may be hearing impaired, or like my younger brother, he's getting loss of hearing in one ear, this is a great feature for those who can't hear that well anymore, to be able to still communicate, have that conversation, but be able to read what it is that they are saying. So this is a huge feature that I'm so glad that Skype introduced. And I will be honest, those subtitles were on point, meaning what I said, it typed out. So that is a great feature to have. And of course, we'll go into greater detail in the video tutorial I'll be putting up about that. 5, this feature is the one that has saved Dad probably the most frustration, and that is screen sharing. This is phenomenal feature, y'all, for those of you that may be having some issues with your computer, or you don't know how to operate the social media sites, or you're just frustrated and you're beating your head up against that wall, right? You can call that loved one that can then see your screen. So Dad would call me up all the time. Hey, hun, this just popped up, or I don't know how to do that. I'm gonna share my screen with you. And he shared his screen, and I literally could see what was on his computer. And that helped me to walk him through and tell him where he needs to go, what he needs to click on, and what he needs to do in order to fix that problem that he was having. So screen sharing is a huge benefit. And like I said, for us younger generation that are teaching the older generation, this is a huge benefit, so that we're not on the other end of a call wondering what your screen looks like. And once again, we'll go into greater detail about that and how you can screen share within the course. And there you have it. Those are the 5 benefits that I know have really helped me and my dad over the years. Now, do you have a benefit, or do you have something that you use Skype for that has really helped you? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know about that as well, and I'm sure others would too. If you have not hit that subscribe button or that thumbs up, why not go ahead and do that? And remember, you can always go and find all of our courses over at socialmediaforbeginners.com. They're all free, or you are more than welcome to watch them here on YouTube. Just know that there will be ads here and not over on the website. Okay, well, you guys know what to do, right? Y'all be blessed, and until next video, bye.